Hey, everybody.
Hey, guys. Guess what?
What?
We're going to open up some boxes.
Yes, we got some. It'll be a quick video today. We got a little unboxing.
Just little.
We'll give you an update on kind of what we're doing this weekend.
Yeah.
We have some mail to open up.
Yeah, we do.
A little bit of this and that.
Don't forget, subscribe, like, comment. So, yeah, David's going to let me open this. You know me and my lids.
Maybe we set up the camera. Yeah.
Okay,
let's get into the box.
Let's do it. Let's do it. So our buddy shipped these out just a couple days ago, and we got them in today. The girls let me know the UPS man was here.
Good guard dogs.
They're very good at it. Ooh, a solid. See, I didn't even know what it was. David didn't tell me.
So we have 2 cases of this.
2 cases of these?
Yeah.
So
that was the last one we didn't have. Well, we don't have the
Mad Mike?
Yep, the Mad Mike.
That is pretty sweet, that Skyline.
Yeah. Look at the details.
I like even the card art. Look how it has the reflection in the street. So it's from that new Ronin Run 2 set.
Yeah, we've had a solid of everything but the Mad Mike.
Yep. I think it's really pretty. And it has Bud Light, so you know I love it. But 2, so we have 20 of these, is what you're telling me.
Yes.
20. I'm okay with 20 of them.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll take some to the show we're going to.
Oh, yeah.
We're going to a little show. Oh, guys, look at my box.
Happens.
Just know something could have a little damage, and that means, well, why didn't you let me crack one of those? I should have cracked one.
We should crack.
All right, we'll open this, and then we'll go back and crack everything. Okay? We'll crack some stuff. Sometimes these are a little hard to open. Ooh, some F1s?
Yes.
Formula 1s. So is this the second or the third set?
I think it's
third
the
release?
Yeah.
So we have the Mercedes number 63. I think I have...
Who's no longer on the team.
Oh, he isn't on the team anymore?
I don't think he's...
That's funny. So
Wait,
maybe...
let me double check, because...
Maybe it'll be better. This is another number 63. If you didn't know, there's... Yeah. Number 4, we got that in the last release, right? One like this. Did we get one like this in the last receipt? I feel like we had a number 4. I like it.
Yeah, I think we did.
Ooh, Visa Cash App. Ooh, it's a Red Bull. I don't think I've seen this one before. That's what that is, right? Red Bull. Number 22. I like that one. Ooh.
I'm not sure of the drivers. We just started getting into... No, George is 63.
All right, this is number 30 of the Visa Cash App. Okay. It looks like so far the cards are okay. Your Oracle number 1, Red Bull. You know you like Red Bull. Don't give me a Red Bull. It'd be so bad.
More Mercedes.
So another Mercedes, number 44. And 44.
I think number 44 was Lewis Hamilton. Yes.
So we got 2 44s and 2 63s. One number 1, one number 30, one number 22, and one number 4. Right?
Yep.
That is what we got. That was a nice little fun box.
We will be cracking a George Russell.
We will?
Yes.
Which one's George Russell? Number 63?
Yep.
Number 63. Let's crack it. So yes, I love to crack stuff open. Do you see that crack? That was a good crack. Gosh.
So those are screwed down.
They are. Ooh.
Just like a little M2, but we will leave this one on.
That is really pretty.
So, like I said, me and my son just started watching F1 this year after watching the F1 movie.
Yes, it was a great movie.
So we picked Mercedes as our team. and we're trying to learn about F1.
All right, guys, look at that new Ronin Run 2 Skyline.
It stopped recording when she cracked that one.
It did. It stopped. Look.
I gotta take this off.
Yeah. Look at all the detail. I love it. It says Pandem on the license plate, but look at those 2 fresh cracks. You know I like crack.
All right, we got mail call.
Mail call. So Alyssa, she is somebody from my stream, and she's been buying from us for a while.
Yep. And she knew I was collecting the Day of the Dead truck, and so she tracked them down for me and sent them.
Yes, thanks, Alyssa.
There we go.
Look, she even used some padding. Yay! How many more? I wish I had a count on how many David has. We've got to find somebody to do our cards for us so we can get these taken care of.
Yep. We just had a video call with a customizer that is going to make some chases for us. He's modifying.
Yes, he did.
We can't give too much away, but there will be 5 chases.
5 chases. Thank you, Alyssa. That was
thank you so much.
Perfectly wrapped.
If anybody runs across these, we are still interested.
Yep.
Reach out to us if you find them. What else did we have? Oh, I wanted to show them.
Yes. So Sunday there will be on Whatnot a raid train where different customizers are selling some of their customs, and this is our buddy JD Customs did this cool junior mint. Isn't that fun? The box. And then I like a good bone shaker, so that is pretty.
It's really
sweet.
hard to pick up on camera.
Yeah.
But it has a green reflective and.
Yeah, it is super sweet. He did a good job.
Underground Designs does the boxes.
And he does the cars, right?
Yep. He also, I think we've shown this one before, but I'll bring it over.
So that is Sunday afternoon. If you go on Whatnot, you'll be able to see the different, if you see a raid train, you'll know it's the customs. So
that one.
This one lights up inside.
Yeah.
What did we get on it?
Just dust. So that's another one of JD Customs. Got a custom Mountain Dew.
It looks like a fingerprint. All right. Next up is...
Oh, the last video we talked about Donnie targeting me with the Frankenberry.
Yeah.
So here is...
So this is what we got from Donnie.
Yep.
And look, remember how I talked about the Citron having the hole in the butt? So it has the hole. But I love it. Didn't he do amazing? Isn't that just awesome? So that is... Donnie will be part of the raid train also. It's Donnie 85, JD Customs. Philly T will be on there. Taps Toys. This is another one from Donnie. You want to get... We can show him a Philly T custom, that gasser. Donnie gave me this as a gift. Wasn't that sweet? He knows I love orange. Thanks, Donnie. One other thing Donnie sent me, because he knows I love orange. Look at that. It's a Christmas ornament. I'm too super excited about that. So Philly T, Customs, Taps Toys, Meg. I can't remember who else is in it. So here is a Philly T custom. So he used our logo, 2X Gen logo on it, and it was a Donate Life car. So this was a super sweet piece that we got from Philly T. It's one of one, and it was February 14th. He did that, he says.
Wow.
Philly T. Cool.
It is a nice one.
Yeah, it is.
Did you show him the other Frankenberry?
I didn't. We have a van, because David loves vans. That's another Donnie. Love the Frankenberry.
Yep. So check out them on the Whatnot Raid Train, Toys for Tots.
And
a bunch of cool customizers are going to be on there.
Yeah, they will be on. It will be Sunday afternoon.
Yep. And so what else do we have going on this weekend?
So we are going to Indianapolis. We are leaving here at 4:30 tomorrow morning.
4:30. Yep. So the Indy Hot Wheel Club is having their holiday show, I think.
And we get to bring cookies.
Yeah.
They're going to have a potluck.
So it's our first time going. We've been wanting to go. They do a potluck. So all the vendors bring a dish. So then you get to eat some good food. But they are a very active club. They do a lot of stuff.
Yeah. So check out the Indie Club.
Yeah. Check them out. We will... We
have a table.
Yeah, we were on the fence about going. We finally decided to go. We won't be inside the gymnasium. We will be outside in the hallway, which they say isn't bad because people coming and going go by your table. So, but again, we're going to go there, 1, to sell, but 2, mainly to buy some more inventory.
Yeah. So David, I will start setting up and he'll start shopping. That's the way it works.
Yep.
And it's fun because, you know, he meets all kinds of people. I meet all kinds of people. So hopefully I get to meet some of you guys.
That's right. We will be set up. We'll have our
2X Gen banner
up. Yep.
Yeah.
What else were we going to tell them? Look at that. Oh, I'll pop it in right here. Our Whatnot show with the chases.
Oh my gosh. Yes. That is coming up. We're 1 week out.
Yes. The pre-bids are up. So, come check us out on Whatnot. Get your pre-bid in. Again, the link is right in the description.
It should be a quickie and fun show.
Yeah. And if you download the app through that link, I think it's still $15 credit. So you can get $15 off in our show. We have had several people who have done that. So
yeah, we have. You picked up a Batman. I was going to put it in my loose box that I was taking to the show. David might cut this out. I was wondering about during that show that if we had a buyer's giveaway. A nice buyer's giveaway.
Yeah. So I'll clip everything in right here with our show with the chases. Information on the Ray Train Toys for Tots. A lot of cool customizers. So make sure you check that out. Show the Whatnot love. We love customs.
We do.
So we're always supporting the customizers.
We like to help get their name out there. So.
Yep. So that was unboxing the F1. I think this is the H release. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, H. 956H. So.
I think this is the first video the dogs didn't go insane.
Yeah. So maybe our dogs are getting used.
No, you know what it is?
They're tired?
They were outside running around like crazy girls.
Oh, that's true.
Because she had the inside of the bubble wrap, the cardboard, and Lexi wanted it. So that's what we need to do. We need to run them around like crazy as we make a video.
So tomorrow will be an early day. Should be fun. We enjoy doing the shows.
We like meeting people and talking to people, and so it should be fun.
Yep, we like taking you behind the scenes on picking up.
We'll have to remind David to take some videos while he's doing it.
Yeah. Yeah, this one will be tough. We're going to be kind of by ourselves. We won't have Dave and Alyssa Forbidden Fly will be there, but not by us.
Yeah, not by
us. So Amy will be stuck at the table selling, and I will be looking for inventory to buy. There's not a lot of time in between setup and then the public coming in.
Right.
And I think it's we start setting up at 8 and people start coming in.
Well,
early.
The good thing about it is you can just get all the stuff in. We can get it in, and you can start shopping while I start setting up.
Yep.
Because I'm pretty good at getting it all set up. So.
Yeah. And we're not taking a whole bunch. We're just doing one 6-foot table.
Yeah.
It was $20 a table.
And we brought our own table this time.
Yeah.
Which is sort of nice because we know it's not, sometimes the tables are a little nasty. Oh my goodness.
Old banquet hall tables.
Yes, that is true. So don't forget, guys, we would love for you to subscribe, share, like, leave some comments. Come see us on Whatnot. Let us know if you come see us on Whatnot that you came from YouTube.
Yep.
And I think that's great. Talk to you guys later.
Bye.